Let's make insanely good spaghetti with bacon and parmesan cheese. It's super easy to make and requires only a few ingredients. Break spaghetti. It's easier to eat it that way, then boil it until it's done and sieve off the water. Cut up as much bacon as you want into small pieces and fry it to your liking. Once the bacon is done, turn down the heat and add the spaghetti and let it cook with the bacon for some minutes to fuse the flavors. Add as much cooking oil as needed for the spaghetti to get an oily texture, and add some salt to enhance the taste of everything. Sprinkle on some tarragon to make it look better. Then top it off with some delicious parmesan cheese, and this dinner is a wrap.